Chapter 20 Dishes from the World. Each country has its own special food variety. This is because of the difference in taste and availability of food items. Let's identify some famous food items of different countries. It is the famous dish of South India. Can you identify it? Yes, masala dosa. It is the famous dish of Thailand. Can you identify it? It is somtam. It is the famous dish of Ireland. Can you identify it? It is stew. It is the famous dish of France. Can you identify it? It is croissant. It is the famous dish of Japan. Can you identify it? Sushi. It is the famous dish of Italy. Can you identify it? It is lasagna. It is the famous dish of Italy. Can you identify it? Yes, pizza. It is the famous dish of Britain. Can you identify it? Fish and chips.